I didn't mess up. It was a glitch in the video. I started thinking about something. I don't even know where I was. And then I was like, oops, making a video. So this is a boogie woogie. A boogie woogie is this type of thing. A boogie woogie pattern is going to be basically a G chord with the minor. So if you think about your G chord or your C chord, we're just going to add that lower third, the minor third. It looks a little weird on the paper because it doesn't look like a G chord or anything like that, but it is. I guarantee you. So that's our G boogie woogie pattern. You want to get used to that. Then we have a C boogie woogie pattern. Get used to that. And then the beginning of the song goes back and forth. We got G, 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 C, G, and then some interlude things, and then goes back to G, 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 C, G. Okay? So that's the pattern for a lot of the song. It even happens in the next page, and then they go to a lower C in the next page. Alright, so once you can do that, it's just Jingle Bells on top. But where Jingle Bells is kind of boogie, we don't really want to play it like a metronome. We don't really want to do that. We want to kind of put a little flavor to it. So we hold these eighth notes a little longer and play a little swung, they call it. See how that eighth note isn't, it's got a little jazz to it. So got that kind of swung feel. That's what it means up on the top of the paper. They write it up there. So anyway, let me break down some of the other parts for you. The left hand does that CG thing until about measure 6, and then we change it up. So measure 6 goes, actually measure 5. Then we just do that thing. So we got this in the left hand, and then a walk down. Check that out, and the right hand does. And right in that walk down, we put a D7 chord in the left hand. And it goes between your right hand, or between your left hand. Okay, that's the first page. Second page goes into that same thing, and then at 15 it changes up. 15 is pretty easy because it's one hand. You see they swing the eighths. So we want to make sure it's not, it's more like that, okay? And then we go into this. So box 18 is a new thing, but it's still G, and then a lower C at 22, and then back to G. Alright, so we do a G7 chord in the right hand. From D, C, L coda, go back to the beginning and jump to the coda. Alright? That whole part of 24 is a little, 25 is a little weird. We have an F chord in the right hand. And then we move around a lot. And then 20, I guess that's 30. You gotta get that swing in there. A weird pattern. Alright? Coda is like this, right? Left. Goes right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And the right hand does second, third, fourth, sixth. Note, second, third, fourth, sixth. Okay? And when you do the sixth, we go to this new pattern, left hand. So boogie pattern, and then it adds some new notes. Okay? That's the song. This is a good one to do hands separately, so make sure you can do your boogie woogies, make sure you do your right hand with a little swing, then try putting it together. It is not easy. But that's not my problem. Good job. Enjoy.